And here is the finished sweater. Hello friends, and welcome to another episode of Art with Kelly. And I've got a fun little Christmas mug. Even though it's not Christmas yet, I feel like I celebrate Christmas all the time because I do Christmas orders all year long. So thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I would like to thank all of you for your Christmas orders of portraits, Christmas cards, and everything else. Things have been really good here. Even though I talk about slow living, I have to, in a lot of ways, plan it in and plan moments of quiet and plan portraits and drawing as well. So thank you for watching, and God's blessings on the rest of your day. And thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and commenting on my channel.